We leave you tonight in London with a campaign to access a treasure trove of historical documents locked up in a medieval tower for centuries. The Royal Archives contain the monarchy's most private papers and official records dating back to the 1700s. And as CTV's Daniele Hamamdjian reports, most have never been seen before.
What the Queen has discussed with world leaders, what she's been briefed on, international affairs, national security, she'll never tell, of course, but there is one way to find out. Locked inside the Round Tower at Windsor Castle are millions of personal and official papers. Letters and minutes of meetings between kings and queens and civil servants, prime ministers and international figures. Documents anti-monarchists want access to.
This is supposed to be a democratic society. The Queen works for us, and we want to know what she's been up to. It's as simple as that.
The group Republic is launching a crowdfunding campaign. The money will be used to lobby MPs and determine if the case can one day go to court. What anti-monarchists want is for the Royal Archives to be given the same treatment as government documents, to be accessible through access to information requests. It's been said that the royal family is even more secretive than the UK's domestic counterintelligence agency.
Every year, MI5 releases archives that do not have a security implication, that do not embarrass living individuals, that do not invade privacy. Well, it seems to me that those are the principles that you could very easily apply to the Royal Archive.
But the majority of people, it seems, believe the status quo has served them well.
If it was subjected to rules whereby things had to be opened, quite frankly, they wouldn't be put into the Royal Archives and they'd probably disappear.
Unlike ministers and prime ministers who've come and gone every few years, the Queen is now on her 65th year on the throne.
That's just too bad. That doesn't negate our right to know what's going on behind closed doors.
The difference, they say, is simple. Elizabeth Windsor, the woman, has every right to privacy, but the Queen, as a public official, shouldn't have the right to secrecy. Daniele Hamamdjian, CTV News, London.